Want to learn a short meditation that you can do in public? Anywhere that you can sit down and close your eyes. This is a very useful meditation for any time you feel emotional or otherwise off and need to center. I use this meditation technique daily during a very difficult period of my career. I would sit in my car and use this technique to center myself and calm myself down and to get ready for my returning to work and the dumpster fires that I knew were awaiting for me when I got there. You just close your eyes and move your mental focus and concentration from one area of the body to the next. Let's go through a simple practice session. I do have a free course where I have loads of information, lots of videos and audios that take you through this multiple times so that you remember it through repetition. We're going to be going through the points: top of the head, shoulder, shoulder, heart, hip, hip, belly button. So if you'll close your eyes, think gently at the top of your head. Breathe in. Breathe out. Move your attention to one shoulder. Breathe in. Breathe out. Other shoulder. Breathe in. Breathe out. Center of the chest, your heart. Breathe in. Exhale. One hip. Inhale. Exhale. The other hip. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button. Inhale. Exhale. Top of the head. Inhale. Exhale. Shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Other shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Center of the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Hip. Inhale. Exhale. Other hip. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button. Inhale. Exhale. Top of the head. Shoulder. Other shoulder. Center of the chest. Hip. Hip. Belly button. If you're not at a relaxed state, keep going. Otherwise, just enjoy this stillness. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. Look around, notice shapes, sounds. Engage your senses, come back, and hopefully that puts you in a better state to go about your business. You repeat this cycle 3 times. At the end of 3 cycles, you should be calm and very centered. If you need more, keep going until you reach a deeply relaxed physical and mental state. I created a free course called The Parking Lot Meditation at parkinglotmeditation.com during the pandemic. I made this course free because I want to give back during these difficult times. All that is free. You sign up at parkinglotmeditation.com. Check out these videos next to learn about my other free courses. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you.